this is our cell analogy project. I'm Leanne Davenport. I'm Ashton Watson.
And I'm Zane Johnson. Our first analogy is the nucleus of a cell. The nucleus is the command center of the cell, and for that reason we have chosen the front office.
The front office directs everything in the school, just like the nucleus directs everything.
A factory like this is similar to the nucleolus of a cell. We came up with this analogy because a nucleolus produces ribosomes, similar to how a factory like this produces.
So this is the nuclear envelope, and I'm transferring nutrients to the nuclear pore. Now I'm transferring information through the pore.
Got it.
The beam of a jungle gym is like the cytoskeleton of a cell. It gives structure and function to the jungle gym. Now Ashton's going to slide down the slide. She couldn't have done that if this wasn't a sewing machine is similar to a ribosome. Just like a ribosome makes proteins, a sewing machine makes clothes out of fabric. This is my locker. It stores all my stuff, just like a vacuole stores everything in a cell. One of the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum in a cell is to help break down drugs and alcohol. For this reason, we chose a rehab center as its analogy.
Other than breaking down drugs and alcohol, the endoplasmic reticulum is also responsible for the making of proteins and lipids and the storage of steroids and ions for the cell.
The Golgi bodies of a cell are similar to a post office of a town. They receive, modify, package, and ship things around the cell for uses.
The mitochondria of a cell are similar to a coal-burning power plant, such as Plant Bowen. We chose this analogy because the mitochondria change sugars, such as glucose, into a more manageable energy source, ATP, and a plant like Bowen, among other things, burns coal to create electrical energy for public use.
I'm a peroxisome and I neutralize the situation. You're a peroxide and you're an enzyme. I'm neutralizing you. Stop fighting! Lysosomes break down waste, getting it ready for transport outside the cell. Just like a garbage compressor breaks down garbage to make it more manageable.
The chloroplast of a cell is similar to a hydroelectric power plant, just like the Rocky Mountain Project. A chloroplast produces energy for the cell, and a hydroelectric power plant produces energy for a city. Hydroelectric power plants are considered to be green when compared to our example of the mitochondria, and that is why we chose it for the chloroplast.
Skin of a person is like the cell membrane of a cell. Our skin protects us just like a cell membrane protects the cell. It's selectively permeable as sweat comes out of our skin and nutrients are absorbed through our skin, just like in a cell.
Its protective fence is just like a cell wall. It is selectively permeable and is rigid. It protects the innards of the cell. Yeah.
Turn the other way!
Why does Ben have to turn the other way?
I don't want people looking at me.
I'm looking at you.
To make it more easier for... Oh my god! That's going in my face.
Should I do this? Really?
Yeah, I mean...
I screw up a lot! Bye, me!
Hi, this is our cell analogies project. I'm Leanne Davenport. And Ashton Watson.
I'm Zane Johnson.
Thing in my window.
That's Chris's arm.
Our first analogy is the nucleus, which is the command center of the cell. For that reason, we have the front office of the school.
That two's gonna beat Shanghai. Oh my god, he tripped.
That was a short
Yay. Caterpillar. And this is a caterpillar.